Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Teams desktop app for meeting features, detailed guide step by step clearly. To update the Teams desktop app for meeting features, start by launching the application on your computer. Once the app is open, click on your profile picture located at the top right corner of the window. A drop-down menu will appear. In this menu, look for the option labeled Check for Updates. Click on Check for Updates. Teams will now begin to search for available updates. If there are updates, the application will download them automatically. Once the download is complete, you may need to restart the Teams app. You will be notified when the update is ready to install. Follow any on-screen prompts to complete the installation process. After the installation, the app will restart, and you'll see the latest features available. To confirm the update was successful, again click on your profile picture. This time, select About from the drop-down menu. Then select Version. Here, you can view the current version of Teams installed on your device. Check Microsoft's official site for notes on new meeting features included in the latest version. If you experience any issues during the update process, ensure your internet connection is stable. You can also visit the official Microsoft support page for troubleshooting tips. Following these steps will ensure you have the latest version of Teams for an enhanced meeting experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.